Breathing for you. Breathing for you. All that I do. Breathing for you. Breathing for you. Breathing for you. Breathing for you.
Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens by signing up for their newsletter. Their ICO starts on December 4th and runs until January 29th.
Hey, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to the channel. This is Snay at Crypto Steemit. Oh, let me turn on this light. Keep forgetting that. All right. Should be good to go now. I hope everyone's doing all right. Yeah, we're seeing this massive Neo moon as of yesterday, as of early or late yesterday. And missed the huge rumors, huge rumors. So let's check out what Neo's at right now. $41. I mean, it's not the all-time high yet. It's not that $50 or even the BTC all-time high, but we're gonna check it out more into depth. Leave me a comment or chat on the live chat. I do read that. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay. Neo, Bitcoin, Bittrex. Let's see. Actually, let's go into CoinMarketCap and see who's trading Neo. What markets are trading Neo right now? I mean, I wonder what's going on with Neo. Like, why this massive boom? And I'll tell you what the rumors are right now. Okay, so Bittrex right now 37%, Bitfinex at a solid 23%, Binance at 16%. Excuse me. Yeah, I mean that is insane. I mean that's insane volume right now. Almost $500 million in volume. I remember when Neo hit $1 billion in market cap, and I was excited. Now we're at $3 billion, and I just don't even know what to say anymore. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. When you starting, dude? Oh, yeah. Can you guys see me? Everything's all right. You guys can hear me all right? Actually, hold on. Oh God. Wait, can you guys hear me now? Sorry about that. You guys can hear me now? Massive Neo boom. Lots of rumors. Neo market at almost $500 million. It's insane. You guys can hear me? All cool? All right. Thank you. Yeah, I just need to leave a sticky note or something saying, unmute my damn mic because, damn, I keep forgetting. Anyways, I thought that we were going to see a major dip at 65 million. I mean, when we added 15 million to the circulating supply, but we really didn't, and I'm really impressed with Neo so far. Okay, let's go through the charts, and actually let's talk about the rumors first. Let me talk out loud and tell you what the rumors are right now. Okay. Right now, here's the list. Okay. Bittrex will announce that they will add gas. Okay, and just like Binance, where you could use gas, sorry, you could put your Neo on the exchange and you could earn gas just straight from the exchange. This is the biggest one, in my opinion. BitHum says they will add Neo, allegedly. These are all rumors, okay? BitHum adding Neo. Now, BitHum is one of the most popular exchanges coming out of Korea. A lot of money and volume coming in. I mean, let's just go take a look at who the market leader is. It's usually, for Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's usually Bitfinex or it is BitHum. So let's check it out. BitHum standing at number 2. Okay. This is for Bitcoin. BitHum standing at number 2. And let's check out for Ethereum. BitHum is usually huge on Ethereum, so let's see. Bitfinex is actually number 1 on Ethereum as well. BitHum at a solid number 2. I mean, obviously they have tons of money. They have tons of money. Insane what's happening. But let's keep going through the rumors here. China will only allow Neo ICOs, and that's a far stretch. It's a really far stretch. China will ban Bitcoin mining and only allow BCC mining. That's still crazy to me. That sounds really crazy. China will give Neo developers technology grants. Now, that doesn't sound as crazy to me. We saw that a little bit with Russia. And I think Russia may adopt a little bit more Ethereum technologies or more Wave technologies based on the relationship they have with Vitalik and the Wave CEO and founder. And then we'll see that with China, and China will try to enter the Korean market and shift the dominance of Ethereum to Neo. Again, far stretch, considering Ethereum is so well established. But yeah, I mean, let's go check this out and see what the Neo charts actually look like. Oh, whoops, I'm already here. Okay. Let's take a look. What do you guys have to say? What do you think of the price of Neo before news? Can it reach $55 before news? Yes, it will. Yes, I think it will. But let's actually take a closer look and see where we are in this little parabolic turn we've come up to. All right, so let's see this. So it looks like we are slowing down a little bit. As you could see, we did see that little bit of a dip here. A small little correction, still pretty green. I mean, wave trend still looking not too bad. Let's check out the 2 hours and see what's going on there. It looks like we're about to cross, and we are headed down in the short term. Stoic is looking really low, so I would definitely not, throw my hat away for Neo to keep mooning. But let's keep looking at the hourly. Yeah, I mean, Neo looks pretty. It looks like it's going down for a small little correction. But let's see what's going on in the 30 minutes and see if we could bounce back. So it does look like we're going to bounce back. So as you can see, the 30-minute, what I expect is one of these and a cross right here. So if we do that, sorry, that doesn't make any sense, I'm sure. Let's actually clean that up for you. Let's clean this up for you. So what I'm expecting is one of these and a cross right here, and then another cross like that. So that when I see the blue line ahead of the orange, on top of the orange, that is when it is going up, and that is what I would like to see. That's fully what I expect. I don't see how it could go much lower considering the volume. Oh, let's go check out the volume. I mean, just it's always good to see what the order books look like and see what the pressure is, or what pressure is waning which way. I fully expect, though, if this doesn't, I definitely fully expect Neo to keep pushing ahead of these rumors, ahead of those 3-day rumors as well. Pretty amazing here, guys. I mean, Yeah, let's read some of your comments. Can it reach $55 before news? I definitely think so. Begin inning pump and dump. Yeah, it is. Beginning to look like a pump and dump. It does look like a little bit like a pump and dump. This parabolic. I don't like parabolic turns. Like I don't like the 30 or 40 or 20% jumps in a day. I don't really like that. Doesn't give me much confidence. In Neo at $5, couple hundred. What? Okay. I don't know what that means, Topher. All right. I only have 42. LOL. Don't worry. Just try to accumulate as much Neo. I've always said accumulate as much OMG, Neo, and QTUM as possible, as humanly possible. There's some other coins I would suggest too, like ARC, Civic, things like that. So just definitely, start accumulating those. I mean, I think it's about to be altcoin season, but we'll definitely check it out. Hey Zolbo, lots of consistent viewers here. Love to see you guys here. Fantastic. So let's go check out BTC USD, and I'm already gonna just go straight to the Bitfinex one because I was doing the Coinbase one. We'll go back to the Coinbase one, but right now for the hourly, or actually let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's slowing down. Let's go to the 2 hour. Yeah, wow. Okay. If this could cross back up, we would see a nice another run for Bitcoin. And if this crosses back up, if the 2 hour crosses back up, we're breaking all-time highs. I mean, we'll definitely take a look at that. But let's go back to Coinbase and see how our historical trends are doing. Historical trends. That's the real big issue right here. So I thought we were going to get down to the 74 mark. I was a little off from the 74 mark and bouncing off that fib level. We never did get off that 74 mark. We always stayed a little bit above it. So my buy orders never hit. So I'm just staying. My Bitcoin is still Bitcoin, and I didn't accumulate any more Bitcoin. But I wish I could have. But on this little dip here, but it just didn't end up hitting my buy order, and I was not at the computer at the time. So But here's the thing, guys. If you miss out on an opportunity, there's more opportunities to come. Don't start FOMOing into Neo. Don't start FOMOing into these random things. If you want to FOMO into Neo, by all means, go ahead and, but make sure you set your stop losses. I'm not your financial advisor. Do whatever you like, guys. But if you're missing an opportunity, don't start FOMOing in. I mean, that's just bad strategy and a bad trading mentality to have. If you expect to do this long term and you start, FOMOing and, start getting guilty or start getting, stressed about, oh my God, the markets are going to do this, the markets are going to do that. I mean, I honestly think you guys, need to step away from trading completely. Just, take a week or a couple days away from trading at all, looking at the market. Don't even look at CryptoSignet.com or CoinMarket.com or any of your Blockfolio apps or anything like that. Just step away, because it's important to have a strong trading mentality when you're going forward like this. And, and if you're really, really sad about missing out on an opportunity, you need to step away, because there's hundreds of more opportunities coming up and you're not keeping a clear head. And if you can't keep a clear head, you won't be a successful trader. That's just my opinion. I think you should be educated and always have a stable mentality in order to be a good trader. So that's what I personally think. But this is our historical trend. Let's go back to the BTC. No more life lessons here from Snay. So here's BTC. Still looking pretty strong. I mean, this 2 hour looks pretty good. Let's check out the hourly, see what's going on with the hourly. If it does actually cross, it does actually cross. But it's a super weak cross, right? It crossed twice. I definitely don't expect it to do much, right? I think it'll continue to wane. I think it's going to continue to rally for the short term. I don't expect it to moon anytime soon. Yeah, I don't expect it to moon anytime soon. I mean, we might even hit another sell signal here. And on the 45-minute, it's still looking okay. I mean, BTC is going to continue to consolidate rather, and then maybe we'll push for another rally. It's too early to tell. It really determines what the alts do and how the market sentiment's really shifted, or any other drama from China or Segwit 2X. I mean, that will severely impact what's going on. But yeah, I mean, it's just a very tricky road right now. I mean, let's go back to Neo and compare it to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin, how that price adjusted with Neo and Bitcoin here. Actually, let's go. I don't know why. Let's go Neo, BTC, Bittrex. I like to look at Bittrex. Okay, so this was my earlier line that I drew, and we are going to compare it to Bitcoin and see what it does. So a little bit of a delayed moon for Neo. BTC nooned and then Neo mooned almost 2 days later, on the dot 2 days. And we are, and you know, there's not much this chart could tell us, to tell you the truth, but it is showing a nice little correlation of, you know, these jumps, right? As soon as Segwit 2X was over, the market's beginning to stabilize, and you could see the pull and tug between Bitcoin and the altcoins. And this looks kind of amazing to me. So we're going to go back to this chart here on Bittrex, Neo. Wow, okay, so just like that. Look at that buy wall, okay? Yeah, that buy wall means that's a significant buy pressure. Awesome buy pressure. Awesome buy pressure from Neo. Wow, I think we are going to be pushing all-time highs in a matter of 4 to 5 hours if everything goes well. I mean, let's just take a look at what. Yeah, I mean, let's just take a look at that. I mean, we are headed down in the short term. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, we're still headed down, but I really think that the buy pressure could come back in. See how we're at the end of this cyclical movement. This is the squeeze bear momentum. Let me just show you guys. This is the squeeze bear momentum. So you'll see a nice little moon and dip, and you expect right after a red momentum, you expect green momentum. But as you can see, that, you know, during uncertainty and during down times, that you'll see two little red dips. But let's go to the 4 hour and see what's going on. So yeah, we're still in the green still, and I still continue to think that we are going to be in the green. Maybe we'll have these like two little humps here, two momentum waves. That's what I really expect for Neo. Maybe that 4 or 5 hour was a little too extreme, what I just said. Maybe you know, a couple days actually for these rumors to pan out and people to really buy into the FOMO. I mean, anytime someone FOMOs in, my price of Neo goes up. You know, that seems kind of ridiculous, and I'm telling you guys that, like, hey, anytime FOMO comes in, you know, people start to FOMO into Neo, my price shoots up in Neo, and that's good for me. But as a trader, you have to make sure that you're not FOMOing in and keeping a strong mentality, and you're either technically or fundamentally, you're buying at these right points, you know, because I fully expect that if these rumors don't come out true, we'll be right back at the $30 mark. We'll be right back at the $30 mark. I've already set a little bit of a stop loss just to secure some profits that we've made at the $40 mark, and just to secure some profits. But if these rumors don't pan out, we're going down, guys. This is just how it works. Rumors not true, down. Rumors true, still a small correction. You understand that, right? Rumors, before rumors, and right release of rumors, run up. That's it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay, that's exactly how it works. And what rumor am I talking about? Okay, I think some people came a little late. So first of all, there was a Neo, something in Chinese in Neo that said, you know, 3 days. You know, we're going light speeds ahead in 3 days, and you know, obviously it was Chinese and I couldn't read it. So and someone on Twitter had to interpret it. But I will go through the other rumors with you. Okay. Actually, let's look at this first. Okay. So this is the first rumor. It's a light years ahead rumor. You know, stepping forward, marching on. After you see these lines, Neo. I don't know if this is true or not. No one knows if this is true or not. But this is exactly what it is. Advancing light years a day. Have you felt the excitement? Like what kind of shill shit is that? I mean, that's not something I want to invest in. That is, if you're investing in Neo right now, you really are FOMOing in. You really are FOMOing in. And you know, maybe it is a decent time to invest. Maybe the rumors are true. Maybe we're going to see 100. Who the hell knows? But just be wary. Set your stop losses, guys. I don't want you guys to get burned. I mean, I like you guys, so I don't want you to get burned. I mean, it's just rough out there. It's just really rough out there. If it doesn't come out true, you're gonna see that we're gonna jump down to 30 easily, right back to where we started. The other ones are Bittrex will be announcing gas. They'll add gas just like Binance does. You know how Binance, you add NEO onto it and you get gas. BitHum will add NEO. That's probably the most significant news I've ever heard. I mean, if BitHum adds NEO, like, I'm strapping on my jetpack and blasting off to the moon, and I'll never be here again, because that's how confident I am for BitHum. If BitHum adds NEO, like, we're gonna see at least $100 NEO, in my opinion. Just $100 NEO. I think we're easily gonna see that $6 billion market cap for NEO. China will only allow NEO on regulated exchanges, NEO ICOs on regulated exchanges. That's a tough sell. China will ban Bitcoin mining and only allow BCC mining. Again, another tough sell. China will give NEO developers technology grants. That's actually not too hard to believe. And China will enter the Korean market and shift dominance from everything Ethereum and Bitcoin related to Bitcoin Cash and NEO related. Definitely a little bit of FUD there. Don't buy into it, guys. I'm just telling you the rumors, because if you see it elsewhere and you FOMO in, I mean, it's just not good, right? It's just not good for you. All right, but anyways, let's go back to the charts here. Let's actually go through your questions and see what you guys have to say here. All right, NEO could reach $100 for sure. How soon? That depends on the real answer. Why is gas so valued? So gas is the transactional method. For how NEO gets distributed, or gets transacted, rather. So right now for Bittrex, they charge you 0.1 NEO to transact any amount of NEO, right? It's just a flat fee, 0.1 NEO to transact any amount of NEO. It's actually supposed to be gas, and gas is supposed to be accumulated. You actually, when you stake your NEO, you actually gain NEO gas. While as Qtum and Ethereum, when you, Ethereum you mine. While as Qtum, you actually stake your Qtum and you gain Qtum. So therefore, you're constantly staking and gaining more coins. So the rich get a little bit richer. While as gas, it could be altered. The gas limit could be changed by De Hong Fei and team. They could change the limit. Right now, I think it's set to 10 million. If I'm not correct, guys, I think it is set to 10 million. I mean, let's go check out CoinMarketCap, see what gas is at right now. I know gas had a massive run up. All right. Why does this not want to load? All right, perfect. Okay, gas. We're gonna check out gas. There it is. Gas. It's at 8 million right now. 8 million total supply. The total supply is 11 million right now, so that's very, very low. So you will see a little bit of drastic increase and decrease as NEO comes in and out. And let's see this. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum, because Ethereum's had a really nice run up too. I mean, it was sitting at around 300, and that bull flag came out, broke out. Massive gains here are across the board. I mean, it's tough to find a red coin right now, and you know what that means, right? If there's this many gains in this short of a period, let's see what our market cap is at 234 billion. 234 billion. We're sitting at 9 billion, or about 10 billion in 24-hour volume. This is a red day, and the red day is coming, and it's going to hit us, and everyone's going to be like, OMG. I mean, like, not OMG. Oh my God, like, sell, and everyone's going to worry. But just, if you look across the board, Lisk up 11%, Qtum up 6%, EOS up 11%, OMG up 5%, and OMG should not be up at all. I think it should have continued to go down. I love OMG. I think OMG is one of my favorite coins, without a doubt. But that delay in the roadmap should have delayed any sort of progress that it was making. And this is my personal view. I am a trader at heart. As much as I am connected to these coins, as much as I love NEO, I bought NEO for under $1, guys. Me and Sam bought NEO for under $1. So I am emotionally connected to this coin. Okay. I'm emotionally connected to this coin, and the sheer fact that that if something goes wrong, I'm not afraid to dump it. As well as OMG, as well as QTUM, as well as Lisk. My whole goal here is to make money, right? I love the technology. I love Bitcoin. I love blockchain. I think it's going to revolutionize the entire world. I think decentralization is what the world really needs right now. But at the end of the day, you need to, you have to get in that mindset if you want to be a trader or a long-term hodler or anything. Excuse me, that it is about making money. You have to get your bottom line, right? Like, as much as I love BitShares, where's BitShares? I'm a massive BitShares bag holder. I'm going to sell some relatively soon because, it wasn't doing as good as I expected. I didn't really buy that high, but I bought a little bit high and I'm still on the red of it. But I know that there's other gains to be made outside of me holding my BitShares and hoping it gets back on Bittrex, or hoping the wallet doesn't shut down, or hoping that liquidity issues are resolved. I can't even log on to onto BitShares. I tried to download BitShares. I was like, all right, decentralized exchange. Let's go, guys. Decentralized exchange. How great is this? And it never did pan out. I couldn't even connect to the network. When I did connect to the network, I was connected to a server in Germany. Like, no, this is not how I want decentralized. That is not how I want decentralized exchanges to run. It's just not working right now. Decentralized exchanges, no decentralized exchange right now is working efficiently. None, zero, zilch. Okay, I just want to get that out. I mean, I think it is the future. I think decentralized exchanges will overcome and overtake everything, but will overtake all the centralized exchanges. But it is not the future. And we're going to go through Ethereum, this one last chart, and we're going to call it a day here. ETH, BTC, BTC. And we're going to go to, let's look at Bittrex, yeah. Actually, let's actually go through Ethereum and see. I believe it was the USD pairing. Yeah, it was the USD pairing. So we're going to go to Bitfinex and check out the USD pairing. ETH USD, and we're going to go to Bitfinex, and we're going to check out those levels and see what they are. Actually, we never did check out that BTC USD level, did we? No, we didn't. Okay, so BTC USD on the order books. Let's see what's going on. And we are looking at Bitfinex, and we're going to look at USD indicator. So, 64 Bitcoin, which isn't much. A whale could easily push that away. Not a really big wall. Nothing to worry about here. Nothing. Just really can't tell us much, to tell you the truth. And then let's go to ETH USD. Excuse me. Oh my god, because these naming conventions are so different. All right. It's a pretty massive wall at approaching 350. I mean, expect this to be even more massive. I mean, let's check that out. I mean, this is on the hourly. Let's check the daily. I think that changes this a little bit. 1 second. No, it doesn't change it much. Anyways, I think we're going to... 350 is a massive psychological level, and I think it's going to be tough to break through that. We're already at 348, and it's going to be tough to break through that, and we're continually chunking away at these walls, but it is going to be interesting to see what's going to happen. We are at 347 now. I mean, I think we'll continue downturn. I think the correction would be a little bit healthy. I doubt we'll get over that 350 until the next BTC rally and then dump down. But in case it is, it's pretty tricky. Let's check out ETH and see what's really going on. I mean, I drew these trends here. This is a little bit tricky here. Fractals are a little tricky. I mean, I wouldn't suggest it for newcomers. I honestly primarily trade on MACD, RSI, and wave trend indicators. So we're on the 4 hour right now, and let's look at that. Let's hide this other one here, the Bitcoin price chart. And right now, we did cross MACD, and it looks like we are headed up. So don't set your stop losses. Don't set your stop losses, but don't set them too far down low. I think we're still have a nice little uptrend according to this MACD. Let's check out the 2 hourly and see Doesn't seem to be slowing down that much. I mean, and let's look at the hourly. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I still think we're in the short term. We're going to continue to head upside here. Nothing's really crossing on the wave trend. I mean, it is still very early to tell. We are seeing some increasing sell volume come in, so I'm sure we'll see that a little bit of a correction. Don't go selling anything yet. Set your stop losses. It would be probably the best thing you could do is set your stop losses. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be careful. Don't FOMO into Neo. Don't FOMO into any of these coins. Unless the rumors are true, then it's very risky. If you do FOMO in, set your stop losses. Set your stop losses around these psychological levels, or set your stop losses on these big walls, right behind the big walls, so that your order will actually trigger, or right in front of the big walls that your order will actually trigger. Make sure you guys stay safe, guys. I mean, this is it's going to be a tricky time. Everything is green right now, and when everything is green, what goes up must come down, guys. I think that's just a solid philosophy that you can have. But thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe and like. Hit that like button, and what it does is lets other people in the community know that this video is worth watching. Subscribe if I'm on this almost every day, going through the markets here, making sure that you guys are educated and you guys are on top of the game, so we could space travel is lonely, and going to the moon together is this is what it's all about. I want everyone to be rich together. All these early adopters, we are the early adopters. We're gonna get rich together. If you're completely new to this and you're like, what's going on? What is cryptocurrency? What are you charting? Like, I don't understand. Check out our course on Udemy. It's only $10. The description is in the link below. It's a great place to get started. Not all the fundamentals you need, but 99% of the fundamentals you need that I use are right there in the description of the Udemy chat. We'd also take one-on-one appointments, me and Sam. If you want to just pick my brain, help you rebalance the portfolio. We'll help you rebalance your portfolio rather, and other things. If you just want to pick our brain, we do take one-on-one appointments. And other than that, I mean, do check out CryptoSimonEck.com. Check out our newsletter. One of the coins, this top 3 cryptos of the month, is by far one of my upcoming coins that I will be invested in. It starts with a V, and it's not Vertcoin. It's definitely not Vertcoin. It does start with a V though, and it's definitely something you need to check out. Just subscribe here, and you can log in. We have a troll box. You can just hang out on this website. You can switch between Bittrex, Poloniex, Bitfinex, whatever you guys want. Do check out that website, CryptoSimonEck.com. And again, thanks so much for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. If you guys want to do Catch Me Live and you came a little bit late, what you could do is, after you've subscribed, you could hit that little bell. So hit subscribe, and once it says subscribed, hit that little bell. And what that bell does is it pretty much notifies you that I will be online, or I am on live at whatever time, right? Or a new video is live, and you could quickly log on and join the chat. And thank you so much for all my loyal viewers and all our consistent viewers. I think we're gonna go to the moon together. I definitely if Neo, that's what I say, if Neo hits like 100 or 200, I just feel like I'll take a little money out and we'll have a party. All right, we'll pop bottles, we'll go somewhere, we'll go to Gibraltar or Morocco, and we'll party together, because that's what we do here. Anyways, take it easy, guys. This is Snake here at Crypto Somniac. Thanks for watching.